So, in the vlog of today, I'm gonna leave Amsterdam again. I've been here for less than 24 hours. And today, I'm heading to Taipei. So one day I'm back on the airport of Amsterdam again at Schiphol, and that's because a good friend of mine, he's a pilot at KLM, and he invited me to join him to fly to Taipei. And I thought that's a great idea. But the thing is, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to board. It could be that I go back with the train or I fly out with the plane. I'm quite nervous actually because I really don't know if it's gonna work out. So this is Elmar. And so Elmar, where are we going today?
We're going to Taipei in Taiwan.
Well, one thing's for sure, you will go, but the question is, will I go?
Let's find out.
Oh, that's gonna be exciting. What's the rules?
The rules? Well, it's very simple actually. If there's a seat available, you get it. If there is not, well, maybe there is still a place in the cockpit, but that's up to the captain. Yeah, this is the route we're gonna fly. Maybe you think, why not in a straight line? And that's simply because the Earth is round. So this is actually kind of the most fast route to Taipei.
So we got the boarding for the ticket is still on standby. So now I have to go to the gate and have a look if I will get the ticket. So we're across the border, and now I will go to the gate. Oh, I missed it. That was really the favorite thing when I was younger. I was always waiting for the mind your cat. It's really annoying that everybody around me is pretty sure that we will get seats to a flight somewhere in the world. Maybe in 30 minutes I'm in the train back to Amsterdam. It's the moment. It's gonna be exciting. Yeah. So currently the last passengers are stepping in, so this is the moment.
Passengers, telephone, and power.
Yes, that's me.
Essink, sorry.
Oh, no, really? Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, look. Got my ticket. Here's the plane. So we're going to Taipei. Thanks, Elmar. I really wonder if you're actually able to fly. We will see. I will judge you if it's a good flight or not. Goedenavond. Ik mag mee.
Ja, mag je mee? Heel fijn.
Ik hoef niet met... So, here I am in my chair, all by myself. So it's really nice. Elmar just prepared my food. So Elmar, what have you been cooking for me?
Well, Feike, today we have for you beef curry, some nice salad. For dessert we have this, and this is the specialty of KLM, a real Austrian Kaiserbock.
Thank you, Elmar.
You enjoy.
You're an incredible chef. You're an incredible chef. We're going to the cockpit. Goedenavond. Geert. Wow. Kijk naar voren en dan met de neus een beetje omhoog. Sun is back.
It's now 3 o'clock in the night and the sun's coming up.
frequency post 1 level 10 target 40.
Now we're in Taipei. It's good to be here. It's gonna be exciting. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment down below. See you tomorrow.